Welcome to Oraczen's Procurement Spend Analyzer AI agent, built to help your organization leverage AI to identify spend optimization areas and unlock up to 10% in supply chain cost savings. Enterprises face three core challenges in spend analysis: scattered and non-standardized data, unclassified expense data, and manual, time-consuming analysis methods. Oraczen's Spend Analyzer is designed to solve all three. Let's see how. The first core challenge that enterprises face with spend analysis is that of scattered and non-standardized data. In large organizations, expenses are carried out by hundreds of teams across the globe, so the expense data is often stored in multiple systems and has language and currency inconsistencies that prevent centralized analysis. Our DataZen module lets you bring in data from multiple sources into a unified workspace for centralized cross-functional analysis. Within a workspace, you gain access to a suite of smart AI enrichment tools that help with data standardization and enhancement for better analysis later. The language translator tool helps you normalize multilingual data. For example, converting material descriptions from different regions into one consistent language. And similarly, the currency converter tool brings all expenses into a single currency. That's how we solve the challenge of standardizing scattered data from different sources into a single workspace and prepare it for analysis. The second core challenge enterprises face with spend analysis is that of unclassified data. Effective spend analysis depends on consistent categorization. But with decentralized teams and no standard entry protocols, that's a major hurdle. That's where our AI enrichment, categorization, and clustering tools come in. The categorization tool uses AI to understand expenses through their description and classifies them based on your organization expense taxonomy. The web scraper and clustering tools go one step further in that direction and enrich your item and supplier data with external web information to allow for classification in newer ways to help you identify hitherto untapped cost-saving opportunities. This data enrichment, unification, and standardization that once took days or weeks of manual work can now be accomplished in hours, reducing data preparation time by up to 90%. The final core challenge is around data analysis and insights. Combined expense data for large organizations entails data table with millions of rows, querying which often requires technical knowledge of writing algorithmic queries, or engineers making Power BI dashboards, adding bottlenecks worth of weeks in the analysis process and preventing procurement executives from carrying out analysis independently. But not anymore. With Oraczen's text-to-SQL tool, you simply ask questions in plain English, and the system translates your intent into optimized SQL queries, runs them, and delivers results in real time. Now you can have relevant data for your queries about the generated instantly. But what about insights on the data? Can you take the help of AI to unearth hidden patterns in data? The Oraczen Procurement Insights Analyzer is here. The AI can surface insights across various dimensions: cost-saving opportunities, supplier consolidation, compliance risks, sustainability alignment, predictive risk signals, competitive benchmarking, and more. You can give feedback on the insights, and the agent learns from it, improving results with every interaction. This kind of SQL query creation, which was traditionally a high-skilled exercise requiring technical know-how, can now be done by anyone using the text-to-SQL, democratizing the process and allowing multiple stakeholders to identify cost-saving opportunities. And finally, the tool allows you to dive deeper into your data using custom charts and pivot tools, built right in for flexible, on-the-fly analysis. Your very own BI and AI solution. You can start by building charts from existing data points, selecting what you want to see and how you want to see it. Or go a step further by using existing data point and defining custom fields, enabling calculations and comparisons that go beyond what's directly visible in the data. Or simply enter a natural language query, and the system will generate the most relevant chart, helping you uncover insights without needing to navigate the data manually. From straightforward visualizations to complex analysis, the tool adapts to how you think, transforming raw spend data into meaningful intelligence. From high-level dashboards to deep-dive explorations, visualization has never been more accessible. Once your key insights and charts from the Text-to-SQL tool are ready, you can compile them into collaborative dashboards. Group them by theme, generate AI summaries, and share them with your team. Teams can comment, collaborate, and take action, all in one unified space. That's a look at Oraczen's Spend Analyzer AI agent, transforming procurement operations and unlocking millions in cost savings, powered by AI.